Okay, I'm here today visiting with Dr. Spence, and we've been talking about the results I had done and had issues with my neck and my back and soreness, and I'm finding that that is gone. The soreness in my back is gone. My neck, I was in an accident several years ago and had very limited range of motion going side to side, and that has totally increased. The neck soreness is gone. I don't get the tightness there or in my back, and that range of motion is extremely increased for me.
And what did they tell you after the accident? What was wrong with your neck?
I broke my neck. I had bone chips out of my hip and replaced in between the discs.
So you had
my neck.
You had fusion and neck surgery with a broken neck, and in spite of that, you did some now.
And it's huge, the difference in the range of motion, and I assumed that was never going to change because it was so many years ago. I just figured the range of motion was where it was at, but that has increased.
Awesome. And then talk about somewhat with your pain management and your arthritis.
I always had my arthritis. I take arthritis medicine, and I took so much ibuprofen that he gave me meloxicam to replace the ibuprofen because they said I was taking too much. So I was taking the meloxicam, and then also the extra strength Tylenol. I'd take 4 at a time to get relief, and I would probably do that twice a night to get through the night. Since I have maybe in 2 months taken Tylenol 3 times, and I only took 2, I'm off the Tylenol. I'm off the meloxicam. I don't take that at all. I haven't taken anything. The only thing I take now is the limited arthritis medication that I have. Awesome. That's it. That's all I'm on. Before, I'd bend over to pick something up, I couldn't hardly stand up straight again. I certainly couldn't just take off walking again. I'd have to wait until everything shifted back into place. Now I just bend over and pick it up. I don't even think about it anymore. It's just a natural act the way it used to be a few years ago.
Awesome.
So thoroughly enjoying my life. Much better.
And much deserved. Thank you for sharing, Sherry.